Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my baking competition video. Today I'm going to announce the winner of the baking giveaway. If you haven't watched the other video, click on right here. Let's get on with the competition and announce the winner. So these are the people who entered. It looks a bit weird because only 5 people joined. But that's okay. And let's find out who the winner is. The items you can win are here, and here. Thanks to everybody who's taking part in the giveaway. There's only 5 people who entered, but that's okay. This is a UK competition. So if you live in the UK, I can post it to you. I will contact the winner by email, so I can get your address to post the gift to you. Okay, let's choose the winner. And the winner is Ben Fairman. Well done, Ben Fairman, and congratulations. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts.